Hello everyone. So welcome back. You can see the setup. So I have come front of you with another new experiment today. So before starting, let me ask you a question. You might have seen coconut trees, teak, bamboo trees, etc. Right? Those are long-heighted plants, long-heighted trees, we can say. Yes. So here the question is how the water transports from root tip to the shoot tip in such long heighted plants. You have already learned in the previous video that because of transpiration, the water column from root tip to the shoot tip will be maintained. Yes, because of the transpiration pull, as the transpiration occurs continuously, the water column will be maintained from root tip to the shoot tip. But this transpiration pull is very less to maintain the same continuation of water column from root tip to the shoot tip in long heighted plants. Okay, so then how does this long heighted trees get the water from root tip to the shoot tip? How? That is what here there is another force which acts over there. That is one, though you have already learned, that is transpiration pull. So another one is capillary action, or that is also we can call it as cohesion tension theory behind. Yes, so here I'm going to show you the experiment how this capillary action and cohesion tension theory works in plants, in long heighted plants, to maintain the water column from root tip to the shoot tip. So for this I have taken two glasses, and in one glass I have filled with water, colored water. I just colored this water by adding some food color or any sketch color. Somehow you can just make it color. Why it should be colored? Because water is colorless. In that colorless water we could not observe the result, how the transportation is actually happening, how the water transportation is actually happening. That is unable to observe in this colorless water, right? So to see the observation or to get the result greatly, I have taken colored water and a tissue. Okay, just a tissue I have taken, one tissue I have taken, and we need to roll it in this way, just like this. We have to roll it over and over, make it a strong roll. Now think that this end is a root tip, this end is a root tip. Just think this is a root tip and this is a shoot tip. Okay, two ends we will be having, right? So one end let it be as a root tip and the another end be as a shoot tip. So here this is a groundwater, you believe it as. Okay, just imagine this is a groundwater. So in ground what will be spread? Obviously roots are spread, right? Whichever the plant or tree is, its roots are emerged in the ground. So that's how in ground also water will be present. From that ground itself the water gets absorbed by the root and then it will be transported to the shoot tip, right, in all the plants and trees. So same here also, this is a groundwater, you just imagine, and this is a root tip. Okay, these are the roots which I'm going to immerse into the water, and the another end of this tissue I'm just putting in an empty glass. Okay, empty glass. You can already observe it here, how the water is raising. Yes, how the water is raising from this tissue, from here to the another end, how the water raises and the water will be transported to this empty glass. How it happens? So you know behind this there is capillary action. What is this capillary action? Now capillary is nothing but minute holes or the passages from where the water can transport. So here in this tissue there are very minute microscopic holes which are allowing the water to transport from root tip, from the one end to the another end. Okay, So along with this capillary action, there is another force acting for the continuation of water column from root tip to the shoot tip in trees is cohesion and tension theory. Now what is this cohesion? Cohesion is nothing but a force between water molecules. Okay, the force between like molecules we can say. So the same cohesion is present in water molecules also. The water molecules get holded with each other because of intermolecular spaces in between. Intermolecular force is present in between the water molecules, which holds the water molecules together. That's how the water will not get splitted. Yes, that's how the water will be holded together, and it takes the shape of the containers. Yes, that's what the cohesion is, nothing but the attraction between the molecules. Here in water molecules also there is a cohesion attraction between the water molecules, which always will be maintained in the water molecules and keeps the water molecules to be attracted to each other, and because of the same, here the water gets transported from one end to the another end. Yes, you can already see here how the water is raising and transporting from one glass to the another empty glass. If you keep this for a while, or take as a half an hour or 1 hour, you can just observe the water will get transported from this glass to the empty glass until both the glasses becomes equal. Okay, until the water becomes equal in both the glasses. That is how from ground the roots get absorb the water and transports it till the shoot tip. Yes, in the same way nutrients are also getting absorbed and transported from root tip to the shoot tip. Now what are these holes in the trees? Those holes are nothing but xylem and phloem. Yes, xylem is a water conducting tissue which transports water. Between the xylem cells, cohesion force, capillary action and transpiration pull, all these three acts on that, and it lets it to maintain the water column from root tip to the shoot tip. That is how here also the same happening. You can already observe here I have done the experiment with just normal water. You can observe in both the glasses equal amounts of water is present. That is how the transportation happened. Okay, hope you'll try this in your home and get the result. You'll be excited to see the result. Actually it happened. Okay, that is how the water column is maintained from root tip to the shoot tip in the heighted trees even. Okay, hope the experiment is liked by you. We'll come up with the new experiment in the next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.